Hello everyone. In the last video, I told you about the introduction to ethical hacking. Now it's time to set up an environment to learn ethical hacking. For that, we are going to use FEDORA and Kali Linux. Now, I have already uploaded the video on how to install FEDORA on VirtualBox. The link is given in the description, you can check that out. In this video, let's get through how to set up an Kali Linux environment. If you don't know about Kali Linux has a large number of penetration tools. It is basically used for digital forensics or pen testing. Now if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that when I will upload a next video, you will be notified. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So basically, to set up an Kali Linux environment, you will need two things. You will need a VirtualBox installed in your system, and you will also need a Kali Linux ISO image file. To download a VirtualBox, just go to your favorite browser and go to your google.com and search for Oracle VirtualBox, and you will see here a first link, virtualbox.org. Go to that link and download from this link. Download for Windows hosts and install it. Now the second thing, you will need a Kali Linux ISO image file. To download it, again go to your favorite browser and go to google.com. Search for Kali Linux. Now just go to this first link, kalilinux.org, and you will see here Kali Linux 64-bit version. Also you can download 32-bit version here if you want it. Now also, if you use torrent, you can download it from torrent or you can download it from your regular browser. Its size is 2.8 GB and version is 2.18.2. Just download it. I already have it, so I'll skip this step. Now after installing VirtualBox, open it, click on this new option and enter a name Kali Linux. When you will enter Linux, the type and version will automatically selected. Click on next. Select a memory size, that is the RAM you want to give to Kali Linux. I'll just give it 4 GB of space and click on continue. Now you need to create a virtual hard disk. Create a virtual hard disk now. Click on create. Select this option, VDI, VirtualBox disk image. Click on next. Dynamically allotted, click on next. Again give it a hard disk size. I'll just give it 30 GB. Click on create. Okay, now just go to this settings option you see here. In settings, go to system tray and select this option processor and give it 2 CPUs or 3 CPUs. Again go to this display and give it a video memory of about 60 to 70 MBs and select this storage. Here it is important, select this empty option and select this disk icon you see here and select this option, choose virtual optical disk file. Now go to your downloads and select this Kali Linux ISO image file you downloaded and click on open. Click on OK. Now you need to start this. Click on this start button you see here. Now select this graphical install option you see here. Okay, select a language, click on continue. Now select your location, India, click on continue. Select the keyboard you want to use, click on continue. Now you need to select a host name. I'll just keep it as default, click on continue. Again, domain name, keep it as empty, click on continue. Now you need to set up a password, give it a password. Now click on continue. Now this is important step because we want to select a partition disk here. Now select this option, guided, use entire disk option and click on continue. Select this option, click on continue and select this default option as all files in one partition. Click on continue. Now select this option, finish partitioning and write changes to the disk. Again click on continue. Now it's asking to write the changes to the disk. Yes, we want to write changes to the disk. Select this option yes and click on continue. Now it's installing the system. It will take about 15 to 20 minutes based on your PC performance. So I'm going to skip this step for a while. Now the installation process is completed. All we need to do is to set up some settings. Now it's asking to use a network mirror. Select no and click on continue. Now install the grub bootloader to the master boot record. Select yes and click on continue. Select your hard disk, second option and click on continue. Now it's installing a grub bootloader and finishing the installation. Now the installation is completed and select continue option. Okay, it's rebooting now. Now it's rebooted and select this first option. Okay, let's make it full screen. To make it full screen, right control and F. Okay, it's asking for a username. So by default, your username is root. Enter your root and enter the password you enter at the time of installation. Okay, as you can see here, the first boot is complete now. Now if you want to add a user, select this here and go to this root and account settings and add a user. You can add a user from your standard user or an administrator user. I will just use root, so no need to do this. Okay, now here's your terminal. So we have successfully installed Kali Linux on your VirtualBox. Now we will need to install some softwares and repositories to this Kali. We will download them when we will need them, so no need to do here. My next video will be coming soon. So please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that when I will upload a new video, you will be notified. Also, please like and share this video. So I bid you farewell and hope to see you in next video.